मिशन निर्माणा खातीर राज्यात 25 जाणांची समिती आम आदमी पक्षान वाल्मिकी नायकाच्या फुडारपणा खाला स्थापीत केल्या। वाल्मिकी नायक हे समितीचे अध्यक्ष जाल्यार प्रदीप घाडी आमोणकार ह्या समितीचे उपाध्यक्ष म्हण आपाची दिल्ली आमदार तशेंच गोय राज्याची प्रभारी आतिशी हिणे माहिती दिल्या। RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
So here also in Goa, over the next 2 years, Aam Aadmi Party is now readying itself for contesting the assembly elections in 2022. And as part of that exercise today, we are announcing a 3-month long organization building exercise that is going to start right after the ZP elections. ZP after 22nd of March, we will be starting Mission Nirman, a 3-month organization building exercise for taking the Aam Aadmi Party to the grassroots level. So for this Mission Nirman, we are announcing today a 25-member committee which will be in charge of organization building. So this 25-member organization building committee will be given a 3-month period for taking Aam Aadmi Party to the booth level in Goa.
By the end of this period, that is by 15 May, we hope to further consolidate what we have and more importantly grow the outreach to every nook and corner.
2017चे इलेक्शन आम आदमी पार्टीन मोठ्या तरेन लढिल्लें, पूण तातूंत आमकां यश मेळना आनी जे पार्टीन दिल्लीक काम केलां ते लोकांक खूब आवडलें। लोकांनी म्हळें सुद्दां की आमकां सुद्दां गोंयान असलोच सरकार जाय। पूण गोंयचे इलेक्ट्रेट जे आसा, गोंयचें पॉलिटिकल वातावरण जें आसा तें मातशें वेगळे तरेन चलता। गोंय एक धाकटी स्टेट आसून तातूंत लोकां कडेन कनेक्ट करपाचो एक वेगळो तरीको हें जाय पडटा। सो हे सगळें आमी लोकां कडल्यान फिडबॅक घेवन आम आदमी पार्टीची आमी फुडली स्ट्रॅटेजी जी केल्या आनी मॅडम आतिशीच्या लिडरशिपाच्या हातूंत आमी हो जो मिशन निर्माण आतां एनावन्स केल्या तातूंत आमकां खात्री जाता की आम आदमी पार्टी ही गोंयच्या सगळ्या लोकां कडेन पावतली।
See, I think Goan people are facing many issues. That is the reality. I think that today ordinary Goan people are most of all tired of the politics of Goa. They are disillusioned of the politicians of Goa. And I think there's a very big question mark in front of the BJP government, especially right now with the issue of the Mahdai River. The BJP government, when election time comes, they tell the people of Goa that vote for us because it is our government in the center. And we will be able to get more resources, better decisions, more money from the central government for the development of the state. And when the issue of Mahdai River happens, what do you see? You see injustice happening with the people of Goa. You have Karnataka, you have a BJP government. In the center also you have a BJP government. So why is the BJP leadership of Goa not standing up for the rights of the people?